so please hit that subscribe button because it is far from over. Now you've had your Halloween parties, you've done your trick-or-treating, and you've eaten all your favorite candy. So the question is now, what do you do with all that leftover candy, especially the ones that people seem to not reach for? So I took a poll and asked everyone what was the next video in the creation that you wanted me to see. This runs $10 with 1 ounces, I believe. And this is the first time, and my dog was walking around. Henry! You gonna join me in the studio? No, he's not. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping by, and as promised, it gets gorier and bloodier in today's look as I show you how to create scar and facial wounds with staples, facial wounds with staples, facial wounds with staples, facial wounds with staples. Let's get it right. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping by. As promised, it gets glory. It gets glorier and bloodier. That works too. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping by. As promised, it gets gorier and bloodier in today's video as I take you on a journey on how it's not a journey. It's a tutorial, not a journey. And hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping by, and as promised, it gets gory and bloodier in today's video as I take you through, out for you guys. That way you can decide whether or not you want to make or buy, because I make my own scar wax. It is ridiculously easy and affordable, and I almost had it. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping by, and as promised, it gets gorier and bloodier in today's video as I walk you through how to do facial wounds almost had it. Damn it. I didn't start that out the way I normally do. Everything just goes bleh. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping by. So today's video will be a tutorial about a broken nose. It will not come with a busted blah, la, la, la. It'd be helpful if I could speak English. Maybe one of them clap things. Anybody want to send me one of those boards? Bruce, you got any on hand? I'm sure you do. That's who, when I'm looking off over here, that's who I'm talking to. I'm talking to Bruce, Hannibal Lecter, and Beetlejuice. Okay, let's do it again. Let's get it right. And the thing I like about horror movies is there's so many different subgenres, from slashers to psychological thrillers. There's a little bit for something for everyone. Right out of the gate. Besides, I'm not getting any younger. Any reason to wear pigtail braids. I'm getting ahead of myself. I feel like this bear. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. Even if he's damaged. That's right. Some of the most beautiful things are. I did this based upon my love of horror movies and the fact that I like several different subgenres. Slashers to psychological thriller. I think it's completely creepy when movies take something that's completely find another word. I did this because there are several things I want to showcase with this video. For one, I do love horror movies that are even in these different, God, what is wrong with me today? Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's tutorial, I go through and turn myself into a baby girl demon. And I did this for several reasons. One of them is because I love horror movies, as you imagine, that you can actually repurpose them to make a new look. So those reasons, those are the reasons. I'm talking too fast. That's what it is. Did you know that? Can you hear me? Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping by. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to you and yours. I hope you're enjoying gathering around and having fun with your fans. If you got fans? Ridiculous. Okay, come on, Art. Come on. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping by. What happened there? Hey everyone. You can see here that I kept the blood dry. I did several different elements on this one, so I'm going to take it back a step, use different products. I'm using silicone for the skin instead of cotton and liquid latex. And so let's just see what happens in this new look of Attack of the Christmas Tree. And I hope you have a great and happy holiday. And I'll see you in the roll footage. Completely off script, it's the hat. So today's video, I'm going back to an old look I created a couple years back. As you can see here, I did a lot with it. I was trying to learn skills and trying to find out what products work best for me. So I'm going to revisit. I'm out of breath. I am going to revisit a look that I did with some liquid latex and cotton. As you can see here in this photo, I kept the blood dry and I did a lot of things coming from the head all the way down into the exposed spinal and the neck. So for those reasons, I said spinal instead of spine in the neck, spinal.